Welcome to Curie Electronics. Today we are going to solve a remaining 50 questions of the SAC Technician B Electronics question paper. The first 50 questions we have already solved. So let's solve the remaining questions. A differential amplifier is invariably used in the input stage of all op-amps. This is done basically to provide the op-amps with very high. If you provide a differential stage, what happens? We will get a common mode rejection ratio that is related to the no. See, so the answer is common mode rejection ratio. CMRR. Actually, on an op-amp, if both inputs are same signal is fed to the op-amp, then it should come. The output has to be 0. Question number 51. Find out the current flowing in the R4 after switch AC is closed. Consider R1. All these values are given here. So here through this resistor, what is the current flowing? We have to find out. So I have redrawn this circuit here. Then what I do? This much R3, R4 and R2. What is the combined resistance? First I will find out as RE. So when I calculate RE, what is the value I got? All of you know how to do the parallel combination resistance value. So we will get 10 ohm. Then once we get what is this combination value, then this 4 ohm plus 10 ohm can be replaced with it. So our total resistance of the circuit is 10 ohm. Then we will apply the Ohm's law, I equal to V upon R. So 1.5 upon 10. 1.5 volt upon 10, you are getting 0.15 amps. What is the question? What is the current flowing through the R4 resistor? That is this network. Again you will apply the current division rule. So current division rule, I have mentioned this branch current as I1. I1 equal to, you will put the equation and calculate, you will get 0.09 amps. Which of the following frequency band is used in DTH service? It is 40 into 12 gigahertz is the range used. Which of the following can be used to realize a PCB? PCB, generally we make PCB with FR4 material. There are some PCBs which is made with polyamide material also. Teflon also used. So answer is all of the above. If you like these videos, please share with your friends. Also, please hit the like button. Question number 56. What is the mutual inductance of two coils having self-inductance 1 millihenry and 100 millihenry? So what is the equation to find out the mutual inductance? Simple equation. What is K here? Coefficient of coupling. The question it is not given, so we can take it as ideal coupling as 1. Then if you put the values, you will get it as 10 millihenry, sorry. Question number 57. A 3.2 volt 5Ah fully charged battery is delivering 200 milliamps. How long will it last? So it's a 5Ah battery. So 5Ah battery, if you convert it into milliampere hour, milliAh, 5000. So 5000 divided by 200, you will get 25 hours. 25 hours means 1 day plus 1 hour. Dash cable is better for carrying high frequency compared to dash cable. Coaxial, option C. Coaxial cable is better to carry high frequency than shielded twisted pair. Shielded twisted pair. Integrator is a dash filter. What is the integrator? Integrator, all of you know, many repeated question. It's a low pass filter. Differentiator means high pass filter. Optical fiber works on the principle of total internal reflection. Which of the following is an advantage of FM over AM? Provides better signal to noise ratio, right? Lower bandwidth is required. No, the answer is can provide better signal to noise ratio. USB stands for Universal Serial Bus. Identify the symbol. It's a tunnel diode. In the circuit shown in the figure, if the voltmeter and ammeter are interchanged, it is likely to result in damage too. So what happens if you interchange the voltmeter and voltmeter and ammeter? What is a voltmeter? If a meter is a voltmeter, then it is having high input resistance or impedance. Ammeter is used to measure the current. It has got very low resistance value. Now I have redrawn the circuit and replaced it. Okay. Now in place of ammeter I have placed voltmeter. In place of voltmeter I have placed ammeter. Now what we know, this ammeter can be, it has got very low resistance, so it can be replaced with a short circuit. Then what happens? The entire current, when you apply the voltage here, entire current passes through this ammeter and the ammeter will get damaged. What about the voltmeter? Voltmeter is having high resistance value, so it doesn't allow current to pass through the circuit. So ammeter will get damaged. Damage to ammeter. PN junction diode acts as, it's a unidirectional switch. Identify the symbol below. This symbol is what? This is for the depletion type N channel or P channel. Depletion type means already channel is there as per the symbol. In this one, arrow is coming in. Arrow is coming in for a transistor. If arrow is coming in, it is PNP. Then it is N channel. It's a depletion type N channel MOSFET. This arrow is just opposite to the symbol of transistor. In transistor, if arrow is coming in, it is PNP. But MOSFET, if arrow is coming in, it is N channel. And if here it was a dotted line, if this symbol was like this, then it is a channel is not there between the drain and source. Then it is a enhanced type N channel MOSFET. What value of resistor R in the following meter is required to produce full scale range of 10 volt? So here a meter with a 2000 ohm and 100 microamps current. Now if we calculate the V into R, it gives 0.2 volt. Now if you want 10 volt, we can just put the value of 100, we can take the value of 100 kilo ohm resistor, then you find you are getting 10 volt range for this. Then what is the resistor value we have to put here to get 10 volt range? Because if you use total 100 kilo ohm resistor, then you will get 10 volt range. So already 2 kilo ohm resistor is there. Then what is the value to be added? That is the 98 kilo ohm. Which of the following wavelength is visible light? It is 500 nanometer. Visible light is range from almost from 400 nanometer to 750 nanometer. That is the visible light wavelength. The time constant of a coil having inductance 400 millihenry and resistance of 20 ohm will be. This also many times we have solved. So you know the equation, just put the value. What is the answer is coming? 16 milliseconds. You are getting 16 milliseconds. A voltage gain of 1000 is expressed by. Direct equation is there. What is the, see, AV voltage gain in dB equal to 20 log 10 to the power log 10 the voltage gain. So 20 log 10 to the power 1000, we can write it as 10 to the power 3. Then what happened? 10 to the power 3 can be taken out as per logarithmic rule. Then it will be 3 multiplied by 20 log 10. Then what happened? Log 10 equal to 1. Then you multiply, what you will get? So you will get 60 dB. A forward voltage of 10 volt applied to a series combination of silicon diode and 1 kilo ohm resistor. What is the current through the diode? So here what is there? If it is a silicon diode, then we have to consider the drop of 0.7 volt. Then effective voltage will be 10 minus 0.7, so 9.3. Now if you apply whose law? Ohm's law, then you will get it as 9.3 milliamps. Right, 9.3 milliamps. How will 2.5245 volt will be displayed in a 3.5 digit multimeter in 10 volt range? The range is 10 volt, 3.5 digit. 3.5 digit means total 4 7 segment display will be there. The MSB digit will be changing from 0 to 1 or only 2 change 0 to 1. Other 3 digit can change up to 0 to 9, all 3 digit. Now if it's a 10 volt range, since a 10 volt range means 10 volt is the range we have to show, and we are measuring 2.5245. So this MS will be 1, this is going to be 0, 10, then 2 digits. So it will show us option C. What is the value? 2.52. A high Q series RLC circuit behaves like a dash circuit at high frequency. At very high frequency, the reactive inductance increases. So it is inductive type. That is here, this area. It's inductive, more inductive in character. In free space, line of sight propagation transmission loss varies with what is the transmission loss? What is the relation between transmission loss and the frequency? So it is, from this is the equation for the path loss. From this we can see frequency square. The path loss is proportional to frequency square. How fast can Cat6 cable transfer data? How fast a Cat6 cable can transfer data? Up to 10 gigabits per second. Which among the following is the best conductor of electricity? All of you know silver is the best conductor. So next question, we have to find the equivalent resistance. So if you carefully observe this, all these 3 resistors are in parallel. Then 1.8 kilo ohm divided by 3, that is the resistance value, that is 600 ohm. Which of the following will have metal junction? That is the Schottky diode. Schottky diode has got a metal junction. So its recovery time is very fast. Example of non-volatile memory. EEPROM is a non-volatile memory. Flash also non-volatile. That means answer is all of the above. Very small displacements are effectively measured using LVDT, linear variable differential transformer. The melting point of SN63/PB37 solder is 183 degrees Celsius. Which of the following circuit can convert sine wave to square wave? That is, all of you know, it's a Smith trigger. Which kind of filter circuit is shown below? Which filter circuit is this? Whatever low frequency signal comes, it will get bypassed here. So it's a high pass. It's a high pass filter because it will pass. If this is output, it will allow high frequency to pass. Low frequency signals, it will shunt the low frequency signals. So it's a high frequency filter. Which of the following can be used for measurement of dielectric loss of a capacitor? That is a shearing bridge. Which instrument is best suited to measure the carrier frequency of a modulated signal? See, when signal is modulated, there are 2-3 contents: upper sideband, lower sideband, carrier frequency. All these can be measured using a network analyzer. Not network analyzer, spectrum analyzer. 86. Which one of the following is the best definition of accuracy? It is a measure of reproducibility of measurements. No, it is a closeness. Accuracy means the closeness to the actual quantity value. Ripple factor in a half wave rectifier is, what is the ripple factor of half wave rectifier? It is 1.21. Which logic gate gives output 1 when both inputs are 0? That is, a NAND gate is not there. Then it is a NOR gate. Now let me see. When both inputs are 0, output should be 1. It's not OR gate. It's not AND gate. XOR gate should be different. So NOR gate is the answer. What would be the voltage shown by the voltmeter V in the? So here across this resistor, what is the drop? So for that, what you will do? First you will find the equivalent resistance of this. Then you will find what is the total current flowing through this circuit. Once you know total current, what is the total current, then what you do? 3 multiplied by total current will give you the voltage drop across the resistor. It is 7.2 volt. Which of the following is not an OS, operating system? Linux is OS. RTOS, real-time operating system. Unix also operating system. BIOS, basic input output system. That is not a OS. Which of the following device cannot sense light? LED. A transistor has base current of 10 microamps and collector current of 1 milliamps. What value of its alpha? What is the value of its alpha? Alpha you have to find. What is there? Simply you will put the equation, this alpha equation, and put the values. You will get it as 0.99. Which of the following is not part of a microprocessor? Monostable multi-vibrator. That is a strange thing in this. 1 Gauss is equal to 1 Tesla equal to 10,000 Gauss. 10,000 Gauss. Now, what is the question? 1 Tesla equal to 1 upon 10,000. 1 Gauss 1 Gauss equal to 1 upon 10,000 Tesla. What is the answer? 10 to the power minus 4 Tesla. Magnetic permeability is maximum for dash material, ferromagnetic material. Darlington pair is used for high current gain. We use this Darlington pair, high current gain. LDO is linear dropout regulator. That is a regulator, LDO. Two resistors are connected, and so we have to find the equivalent resistor. For that there is a equation. This is the equation. Just put the values. You will get it as 6.25. But here 6.25 answer is not there. I feel something wrong with this question. So here, if the following Wheaton bridge is balanced, what will be the value of Rx and current supplied by battery? Now once Wheaton bridge will be balanced, there is no current flow through the galvanometer. Now Rx easily we can find out. How? So here this is the 2 ohm resistor. It is a 4 kilo ohm. So what is the ratio? It is 2:4, or we can write it as 1:2. Similarly here also we should get a 1:2 ratio. For that this has to be 2 kilo ohm. So logically we can just calculate it. So 2 kilo ohm. So it is a 2 kilo ohm. Rx is 2 kilo ohm. Then what is the question? What is the current supplied? Current flow in this circuit when galvanometer doesn't when bridge is balanced. When bridge is balanced galvanometer is just like a open circuit. Then what happens? So 1 kilo ohm and 2 kilo ohm in series, 2 kilo ohm and 4 kilo ohm in series. If you add, what you will get? 6, 6 and 3. So 6 and 3 in parallel. Six ohm and 3 ohm are in parallel. So if you simplify that, what you will get? 2 kilo ohm. Then 5 upon, what is the current flowing through the circuit? I equal to 5 up V upon R, 2 kilo ohm. What you will get? 2.5 milliamps. So which is the answer? Option B is the right answer. So we have completed the remaining questions also. So today I have my approach was different to solve these questions to save some time, so that I need not to write it, and most of these 90% questions are already I have solved in previous question papers clearly. I hope you understood these questions, how to solve it. So if you like the videos, please share with your friends. Don't forget to hit the like button. Thanks for watching.